Hello, welcome to Science Castle and Rocket Science. Today we're going to be investigating things that seem to defy gravity and things that move in weird ways. If I drop this bowling ball on the floor, it should demonstrate how heavy it is. For inertia, there's three rules that are related to how things move and what they do. A guy named Isaac Newton made up these rules. The second rule is, the harder you kick something, the further it flies. So the dog flies through the air. And Newton said force equals mass times acceleration. That's his physics rule for it. If I swing it in circles and try to turn around, what do you think is going to happen? Well, I can turn me, but the ball will run right into me. And all this is going to lead us to something pretty weird. But first, we need a crazy story. And evil Mr. Fred decided that he was going to make everybody happy. He was going to create a carnival. One of the rides was a big Ferris wheel. And Jack and Jill lived down there. And they saw that evil Mr. Fred had created this carnival. And they said, oh no, what's he up to now? Certainly it can't be anything good. They said, behold, behold, give us $1 billion or you'll never see your children again. And the Ferris wheel started rolling down the mountain directly towards the volcano. Now if you were Jack and Jill and you're on that Ferris wheel, what are you going to do? Now, you received a box, I hope. And in the box there was some stuff. There should have been a plastic plate in there, probably with a paper clip stuck on it. See if we can't get it to be crooked. That looks pretty crooked. Now, when it's crooked, you can see that the tube wobbles. Now you can hold it at the table, pull the string, and get it to spin faster. Sits there and see if it runs into those. Then you can really get it going. If you spin one of these, it flips over onto its stub. We glued a BB to the end. Counterclockwise from your view. And if you listen, it's going faster and faster and faster. And this is the very curious part about gyroscopes. Here it is, it's tilted, but it's not falling over. Right down here there's a tube I can blow air through. When I do, the air will push on the wheel and make it spin faster. It'll start to spin and wind up between your fingers. We made them kind of light, so if you swing them around in your house, you're not likely to knock over lamps and stuff. Cool. Okay, now we can create an ending for our story. Now there's just enough going.